We're back. Adam Shelton, the captain's here, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos. Today we're talking about what is Apecoin. Apecoin has been all over the place in the crypto space, but let's talk more about this. Now, more generally known as Ape, is the native cryptocurrency of the Bored Ape Yacht Club ecosystem, which is the most popular NFT collection on the Ethereum blockchain. It is a ERC20 utility and governance tokens used inside the Ape ecosystem as well. Now down here was definitely something that brought my attention. Ape has airdropped a total of that number of tokens. So that's a lot. That's 150 million tokens to the BAYC NFT owners as well. The user who own the Ape NFTs are eligible to claim 10,958. Now, this is what Ape is available on exchanges. They're available everywhere. It seems like every major exchange, they're on Binance, Coinbase, and among others as well. Now, Apecoin is trading at $4.71 at the recording of this video, and it's ranked number 35 according to CoinMarketCap. And as well, it is for the Web3 ecosystem, or economy, I should say. Future and culture has found expressed in Web3 through art, gaming, entertainment, and events. They have an Ape Foundation, they have a DAO, they have a board, and they have lots more as well, including a protocol with their actual ecosystem. So, Apecoin in a nutshell, check it out. They own so many different types of exchanges, and it's very easy to find, trading at $4.71 at the recording of this video. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain's out, but ClearCryptos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more information, educational value. Click on that red button. We'll see you on the next video.